Barbie Forteza update, yung post ni Barbie. And sunod ang mga project ni Barbie ngayon 2025. Sabi ni Barbie, wow, finally it's out. I'm so excited for this. Contrabida Academy with Miss Eugene Domingo. Written and directed by Chris Martinez. Coming soon on Netflix. Ang kaabang-abang yan. Yung pinagsabang pa naman si Eugene Domingo at Barbie Forteza. Siguradong comedy yan. Riot yan. Ito pa, Barbie Forteza as Jenna, Kim Jisoo as Hyung Nam, at Dong Hyuk sa My Crown Prince. Abangan niya bukas na yan. 6:15 PM. Grabe yan. So, ito pa yung post ni Barbie. Sabi niya, wow, ang hirap magpigil ng kilig sa cafe help. Mahilig magbasa ng book si Barbie. You Belong With Me. Favorite niya yan. Pati yung kanta ni Taylor Swift. Ito pa yung endorsement ni Barbie na Mighty Clean. Sale ngayon. And 2 February 2 sa Epicasada. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.